Hi guys, this is the follow-up video, and in this video all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be essentially going to be connecting this all together. Now there's some basic things that I can do without having to set it all up, as I need to image the drive, the SD card drive. So I'm going to put the feet on first, and there's 4 of them, so one goes in there, and the last one is here. So that's the non-stick feet attached. Now it comes with this like little IKEA style kind of pamphlet where there's no literally instructions, there's just a bunch of pictures where you try and kind of figure this stuff out by yourself, which is no bother because it's fairly straightforward what they're trying to tell you. Now on the back of here it says the precise place where you're supposed to be putting the heatsink, and it looks like it goes on the main one there, so we will be putting that one on next. And it looks like it goes over the center block. I want to be attaching this kind of as perfectly as I can get it. Perfect. It's gone over a little bit, but whatever. It's perfectly flush into the side. So yeah, I don't want to be messing with it by ripping it off and stuff like that, because it's got like a special compound that's attached to the bottom of these heat sinks that transmits pushes the energy and the cooling through it. So you don't want to be messing with it too much. Once it goes on, just leave it on. It's not like building a CPU where you can put the thermal compound back on again and just reapply it till you get the perfection that you're interested in, if you are chasing perfection. The next bit is we're going to be putting this one on. Now I suspect it goes in this way. Now the cool thing is that in this corner you can see the power button lines up perfectly with the button, so I imagine it needs to be pushed in a little bit, like that. Oddly enough, there's no screws for this, which is really weird. There you go, there's a click. That's gone in, and it seems to line up really well. I need to put the SD card in next, which is what we will be doing, and then the next part is going to figure out how to attach this cooling fan. You can clearly tell it goes in that corner, but I think it's got a covering on it, so we're going to take that covering off somehow. Yeah, it's gone off. Then we're going to try and feed it on. It's really tricky. It's a tiny little thing. It's been quite a few years since I've done like a PC build, so I'm a little bit rusty. One thing to check is make sure that these things only go in one way around. We don't want to be damaging the pot by forcing it in, so we have to study the way this thing goes in. Let's try it this way around. See. No, I don't think it goes in that way, so let's try it this way. Awesome. So another thing to check is make sure that sometimes when you push things onto a board, they just tend to click. I think that's gone in, and then this just sits on. There's 2 clips at the side that firmly makes it sit into place. And that's it. This is all it takes to assemble a really simple little Raspberry Pi server. So in the next video we'll turn it on and we'll do some basic testing on it, and that's it. It's got these vents on the sides. I imagine that's for the ventilation. You can't squash it any further, and the SD card is really conveniently located, so you can slide your SD card in and out. But that's it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll set it up in the third video.